What is going on YouTube? I'm back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at Dudex as well as the current coin market cap. Specifically in today's episode, we are going to be obviously doing the crypto $200 Bitcoin giveaway, the free $200 Bitcoin giveaway. We're going to do the drawing and see who is the winner for that. We're also going to be looking at the incredible jump in price that we're starting to see on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, some of the other ones. This is actually an incredible movement, something we've been talking about for many days. Literally yesterday, we were talking about the urgent price update, how the price surge is coming, and now we're seeing Bitcoin above $12,000. We're seeing Ethereum at $4.30. We're seeing XRP at 31 cents. We're even seeing Litecoin now at 64. So this is a huge movement and a huge surge for a lot of the cryptos. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, as we just broke 17,000 subscribers. Turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, as this does help out the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. This way, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns relating to the S&P 500, the stock market, or cryptocurrency, you can DM me over there. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so before we jump into the video, as you guys can clearly see on the board, the competition has ended. And it is time where we actually do the drawing, the winner. As you can see, 4,124 total entries for this month's $200 Bitcoin giveaway. Remember, in order to receive the $200 of Bitcoin, you have to have a DueDEX account. So whoever is the winner here, make sure you have created a DueDEX account so I can send it into that account. So clicking on the winners right now, we have one winner unpicked. I can draw the winner right now. So let's do this. We have 30 invalid actions, not too sure as to why. So I am going to delete the invalid ones, as that shouldn't make any difference. And now I'm going to click draw the winners. 3, 2, 1. Let's see who the winner is. Ooh, draw. One winner unpicked. 504 potential users that can win. Boom. That's quite a bit of people. And here is the winner. Hopefully, they are in the comments or can comment down below. I think they will be notified via email and things like that. So Samson is the winner. If you see your name here, definitely make sure to email me, message me, send me a DM, something. Reach out to me on Instagram. I don't care. Just let me know if you're the winner, and I will make sure to send that over to you. Samson, make sure that you have a Dudex account, as this was sponsored by DueDEX. So if you wanted it, you can definitely, or it was made by DueDEX. So if you wanted it, you can. You have to have that DueDEX account, so I can send it in into your account. So definitely check that out, and I'll be in contact with you. Otherwise, moving on to today's episode. As you guys can see, yesterday I created a video, XRP, Ripple, and Bitcoin price update. The surge is coming. It was mentioned multiple times yesterday and multiple times in previous episodes, as we started to see there was a huge consideration on DueDEX and a lot of the other cryptos in regards to Bitcoin as to when we are going to pop in regards to price. What was mainly discussed was this resistance right here. If this resistance ends up being broken, there is a very high chance we're going to explode in price and move up much higher. We were also considering that we needed to see whether or not yesterday's candle, being Sunday, was going to close above resistance. If we were going to close above resistance, there's a very high chance we were going to pop up. Yesterday's candle ever so slightly closed above resistance, and there was a very high chance we were going to explode higher. So a lot of long positions are in now, as we are expecting to see leverage trades and prices moving up higher. Definitely make sure to check out my link in the description as to the trades that I am making and are continuing to make in my Patreon group. Definitely make sure to check it out. I know we have a lot of people that are very active in my Patreon group, over 120 something people in there, on our way to 200. We'll do a giveaway when we hit 200, but the link is in the description down below for Patreon. Basically, I talk about all my post-only trades, my reduce-onlys, leverage trades, market orders, everything under the sun, buying long, selling short, leveraging, everything like that. All the trades that I make are all linked in the description down below in that Patreon group. But as we know, we just broke resistance here, so there's a very high chance we're going to continue to pop up in price. XRP, same thing goes here. Yesterday, we just slightly closed above this resistance. This is very interesting. We're teeter-tottering on becoming overbought right now. But we do know we can continue to enter this moving average being overbought. There's no issues with that. Just, slightly extending this way, we can easily see movements in here very quickly in the market. So it's ultimately just a matter of time before we see prices of XRP and the other ones shoot up much higher inside their moving average in 2020. So I'm definitely extremely excited for this. We even have, I'm all over the place, but even the S&P 500 is incredible. We're literally at all-time highs, which I'm still trying to process. We came from a market that is considering, I think we're still in a recession, or we are in a recession, but the market is at all-time highs. We've never been this high before. This is literally extremely, extremely risky that we're at prices of all-time highs where we were right before the dip in price. So prices end in 14 days and 6 hours to the end of this month. The second that month ends, I am taking my positions out of the stock market and waiting for the drop to happen, because I think the next 3 months moving forward are going to be very critical, and I'm going to sell out, buy in at the bottom. Honestly, I don't know how you can short in a Roth. I don't think you can, but this is a huge opportunity for those people to short the market, because I do think we're going to drop, and I think it's going to look really ugly. That's my 2 cents. Otherwise, you can see Litecoin yesterday closed above its resistance. That's incredible. That means a beautiful sign of now breaking up into its moving average. Plenty of room to move up much higher on its relative strength indicators. I do believe we're going to, shoot all the way up to potentially $70 to even $84 in between its moving average, as that's usually what happens when we break inside. Usually we break inside and we tend to trade inside of here before we break out of it. So I do believe we're going to see much higher prices, conservatively up to $83. So get your longs in. 2020 is starting to finally look good, moving forward right now. So I am extremely happy about that. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is breaking out of its moving average, its resistances as well as we start to hit higher. Just a little weary of us becoming overbought. You can see us being overbought on the weekly. I mean, we still have plenty of room. We've hit extremely high levels of overbought before on the RSI, and we've shot up much higher in prices. So it's really just a matter of time, and we just have to wait for it. But I do think we're going to continue to head up much higher in price. Same thing with Ethereum. I do believe we are going to start to consolidate back down soon, but prices are going to continue to shoot up in levels. So I think in the next 2 or 3 months, we're going to shoot all the way up to easily even 60 cents on XRP. It's merely just a waiting game, a long-term position, a long-term buy. Buy in and hold for 2 months. You'll be totally fine. You'll carry the dips that happen in between there, but at the end of the 2 months, you'll be much higher than where you first bought in. So I am fairly bullish on most of the markets right now. Obviously, everything is linked in the Patreon below, and I am trading on DueDEX. So if you want to capitalize off these moves, definitely make sure to check out DueDEX in the description down below. Unfortunately, DueDEX only has Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether, which are still great cryptocurrencies to make money on, but we do have to use those specifically. Bitcoin is mainly the one that I've been trading, but I am looking for other platforms that have XRP until DueDEX adds them to trade along with. So definitely make sure to have a DueDEX account as well, because you can make incredible money leverage trading off of this, buying long as well as selling short. It's a no-brainer. If you're going to be into cryptocurrency, if you're going to try to make money in cryptocurrency, do yourself a favor, and you don't have to use DueDEX. I really don't care what you use. You can use any leverage trading platform. I'm not, trying to promote DueDEX in regards to just trying to get you guys to sign up. It's literally just I like the format of DueDEX. I like how easy it is to use, how beginner-friendly DueDEX is to use, and the fact that you can short the market. The fact that you can short the market and it is extremely easy to understand is incredible. It's really incredible, and that's why I recommend it so much, because of how easy it is to use and the fact that you can leverage trade and short Bitcoin specifically. I would like them to have XRP and some other cryptocurrencies. I'm sure there are other exchanges out there that have that, but as of right now, I do believe DueDEX is the best. So definitely make sure to check that out. Otherwise, guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. If you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. We just broke 17,000 subscribers. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.